Hello, Jessa. Nice to meet you. Can you tell us a little bit about your background and what Salesforce is doing in manufacturing?
Sure. So my background, I've been at Salesforce for about 14 years and I started in 2009. We at the time only had about 2,400 employees globally, and we had just hit a billion in revenue at that time. So it's been very interesting fast forward that we're now pacing towards 30 billion in revenue and over 70,000 employees. So I've had a privilege to bear witness to that growth. In the last 14 years, specifically for myself, I've worked in numerous sales and business development roles and stepped into leadership about 7 years ago. And over the last 2 years, I've been helping build out the commercial manufacturing, automotive, and energy vertical here in Canada. And I currently lead a team nationally across Canada today. What I love is that Salesforce is really helping Canadian manufacturers by modernizing commercial operations, transforming the service experience, and really simplifying the partner experience. We've helped thousands of manufacturers lower costs with one trusted platform, increase productivity with automation, and drive efficient growth by improving the customer experience.
Interesting. That's really impressive. Thank you. Can you tell me a little bit about what Salesforce is doing today to help advance equity initiatives and promote more women in leadership roles?
Mhm. So, equality is a core value at Salesforce. We really believe that businesses can be powerful platforms for social change and that it's our responsibility to further equity for all. Creating a culture of equality isn't just the right thing to do, but we believe it's also the smart thing. It empowers us to innovate, build deeper connections with our customers, and ultimately become a better company. Our goal is actually to reach 40% women identifying and non binary employees globally by the end of 2026. And this includes more than just hiring. We're focused on providing equal pay, critical reproductive benefits, gender inclusive benefits, parental leave, and flex work. So we really strive to create a workplace that reflects the diverse communities around us and where everyone feels seen, heard, valued, and empowered to really bring their whole selves to work. Clearly, there's more work to be done, but together we're building a more equal workplace.
Interesting. Yeah, so that's really impressive. Sounds like there's a lot happening at Salesforce. Finally, I did want to ask, what's one piece of advice you would give to women in manufacturing careers, especially as they're starting out?
Well, I think in my scenario, I was often the first woman on any team, especially as I moved into leadership roles and moved up the ranks. And it can be intimidating and uncomfortable being the only at times. And imposter syndrome can really creep in. So my advice would be fake it till you make it confidence wise, and don't let being the only deter you from either trying for a new role or contributing fully in your new role. Open that door for yourself wide open and then really take the door off the hinges for those to follow. I find that motivating, seeing people walk through that door for years to come.
Interesting. Lovely. No, that's very sage advice. Thank you. Uh, Jessa, I think that's everything. And thank you for your time today.
Thank you.